Hi, this is Durga Prasad and my registered number is UR15CS220. Today I am going to explain about a network lab experiment, that is network troubleshooting commands. So my aim is to execute and familiarize with the various command line tools for network information. For example, Ipconfig displays all the current TCP IP network configuration values and the configuration protocol, DHCP and domain name service settings, system settings, and used without parameters. Ipconfig displays the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway for all the adapters. So when we done it, we can easily understand that. So let's try with it. Open the command prompt and ipconfig /all. So here it displays uh, host name Durga Prasad, node type, everything has been came, and then the physical address for the Ethernet adapter, Ethernet 2, and the wireless area connection IP address, DHCP enabled, yes, and then wireless LAN adapter, Wi-Fi, details according to the wireless LAN adapter. Physical address they have given description Qualcomm authors wireless network adapter, DHCP is enabled and auto configuration is enabled. IPv4 address is also present here, 192.168.43.28 IPv4 address, and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So class C type it is, and then the tunnel adapter is tapped. So media state is media disconnected, and connection specific DNS suffix. So DNS details will be here. DHCP is enabled for this tunneling pseudo interface. There is no DHCP is enabled for that. IPv6 address is also present here. So this is IP config details, and let's try to ping with the Google. So ping is used to check whether is there any connection between that IP address and your laptop computer. So here it is pinging with the Google IP address is this, and then with 32 bytes of data, and then 4 packets has been sent successfully without any loss. So there is a connection between this, and then let's try to look another one. So traceroute. Traceroute is a computer network diagnostics tool for displaying the route path and measuring transit delays of packets across the internet protocol network. So in order to achieve this, we'll try this. Sorry. Just a second, sorry. So traceRT www.google.com. So traceRT space www.google.com. So here it comes. The trace route, the path followed while reaching the destination will come here in this trace route www.google.com. So let's see another one. In between it's loading. So after trace RT we have the net start. So net start is the network statistics. It is a command line tool that displays the network connections, both incoming and outgoing, routing tables, and the number of network interface statistics. And pathing is the design for the environment in which one or more routers exist between the hosts. Because in some conditions there may be two or more routers exist in between the two end devices. So it sends a series of packets to each router that's in the path. The destination host is in an effort to determine whether the router is performing slowly or dropping the packets. At its simplest, the syntax of the pathing is identical to that of the ping command, although there are some optical switches you can use. So the command looks like the path ping some address. So it will be displays the is there any routers in between, how many routers in between these end devices, is it losing the data or it is working slowly. So we can easily understand that by using this path ping command. So let's see this. Here we have given this trace route, so it is tracing the route to google.com, that is the IP address is 74.125.203.104. So over a maximum of 30 hops, this data is sending. So sometimes it is request timing out without having a proper connection. Now sometimes it is coming star where it doesn't get any proper data from that. So it's continuing. Sorry. I think it is taking 30 hopes have to be sent, so it will take some time. This MS is the microseconds of time it is taking to reach some destination port. Yes, we can see here the output, how it look like after that. So trace 30, here it is sending 30 hopes, and up to 10 it has sent, and then trace is completed. Before the 10 itself, the IP address has been found out here, but here it's going on till 17th it's gone. Sorry. So let's see in another command. So we'll see the net start how it works. So for that net we'll see who is the user. For that net user, we'll check the net user. So net user. So username is accounts for Durga Prasad, and then details administrator. Everything has been printed. So we'll get the net start. We'll check the net start. So here net start. Now didn't have anything. Here it is connection. TCP connection has been came. Local address, the foreign address, state enabled, established. Everything is came here. So you can easily check here that all are going on in the TCP connection, and then the local connection, local address connections, where it is going to connect that completely, and then the foreign address, what are the foreign server addresses, and time wait or established connection, or it is waiting for the connection, it is showing here. So we'll see that the previous one, so it's completed here. So after 27 hopes, the trace is completed. So we'll see the last condition, that is arp minus a. So arp minus a. So it is the physical address, internet address, everything has been printed here. So these are all the commands, and it is going on. So these are all the commands for the network. These are all the commands to understand the network troubleshooting, and these commands will be helpful when any error, any requirement is needed while troubleshooting the processes. Thank you.